You need to do this for me.
I'm sorry, but I can't tonight. By when do you need it tomorrow?
Mommy loves Daddy and my brother is a freak. Mommy loves Daddy and my brother is a freak.
There's no other option. The meeting with the investors is at noon. Our client needs the prototype by then. You're at home anyway. What is it that you have to do on a random Tuesday night?
I have some paperwork for you.
I don't like paperwork.
Psst. I really can't do it tonight. Family obligations. I've already made a promise that I can't cancel anymore.
Okay. You don't have to explain any further. I can understand. Big brother duties, eh? How can we do this, though?
Look, what if I get up extra early tomorrow to get the job done by 10 a.m? I know what I've got to do, and, I am an early bird anyway.
Okay, I appreciate your offer. If we can agree on that, take the afternoon off then. I'm going to send you a detailed brief of the deliverables and the most important points so that you can jump straight into work tomorrow, early morning.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Thank you.
I think that sounds like a good compromise. Enjoy the time with your family. Catch you later.